Coming up, I'm going to be talking you through a Primark clothing and homeware haul, so keep watching to find out what I got. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel all about Aoife. I'm Aoife and today I'm going to be talking you through what I got in Primark recently. They have so many fun stuff that's new in, so many amazing clothing, homeware, accessories, and I have a bit from everywhere, so I'm going to talk you through them now. If you're new to the channel, then welcome guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so I can keep making more videos like this, and if you're not new, then welcome back. And let's get started on this fabulous haul. So I don't know why I keep doing that. I keep going, let's get started. I'm just so excited to talk you guys through all the new stuff I got. So I'm gonna go clothing, homeware, so you get a bit of everything. So first of all, I'll start with one of my faves from the haul. It is this gorgeous little red crop top kind of bralette-y thing. I suppose it is a crop top because it doesn't come right the way down to like your trouser line, but it is a long crop top, you could say, and it's ribbed as well. It's got a frill detail around the neckline and on the bottom as well, which I really like. I love the ribbed effect. I love that on any kind of top. I think it makes it look really cute. A little bit more expensive than just a plain pennies kind of crop cotton top. So this was only €6, would you believe? Really cheap, and I got it in a size 8. I haven't actually tried it on yet, so I hope it fits. I'd probably go for a 10 if it didn't fit well, obviously, because that comes after 8, but I think it'll be okay. It looked wide enough in the shop, because sometimes with pennies, the crop tops and stuff like that can be run really small, so you kind of have to size up. But I thought this was a perfect little size, and for only €6, I definitely couldn't leave it behind. I think it's so cute, and I cannot wait to wear that. It's going to be perfect for the summer now, and of course it is summer at the moment, so it's going to be perfect to wear out and get a nice tan. I'm already starting my tan. Hopefully it's building up, because we're finally getting a bit of sun here in Ireland, thank God. So let me just talk you through a couple of the homeware bits. I got so excited when I got them home that I actually took all the packaging off them like straight away and started putting them around my room because I got too excited. So I got these little hooks for the door, and they have little hearts, and they're in a rose gold colour, because I wanted some rose gold accessories for my room, or you could just wear them as super large earrings. No, I don't think so. They'd be very heavy. I do not recommend that. But these are really cute, and guess how much they were, guys? They were only €3, so I thought that was great. I should have actually picked up maybe more, because I'm definitely going to need more space than 2 little hooks for the back of my door, because I've just got so much stuff, I don't know where to put it all. But I thought these were great for only €3, and I love rose gold anything, so I had to pick them up when I saw them. I'll show you another little rose gold item that I picked up, and this was a super bargain. You will never guess how much I got this for. Or maybe you will, because I just showed you the tag now. But this is a gorgeous little pineapple accessories holder, and it is in, of course, that rose gold effect. So you've got little kind of bars across here for your earrings with little holes in them, and then I suppose these little pineapple bits down here are supposed to be like for your necklaces, and they have little hooks here so you can hook on your little necklaces, and then it's got a little hanger on the top so you can hang that up. I don't actually know where I'm going to hang this, but I'll find somewhere. But I thought it was so cute, and I had to have the pineapple when I saw it, and this was reduced from only €3 to €1. When you see something in Primark or pennies that's like €1, I literally find it so hard to leave it behind, because I'm like, for €1, if I don't even use it, I still want it, because I can't leave it behind. It's so cheap and really affordable. That's what I love about Primark. Okay, so moving on to another item, and I've been looking out for a nice one of these for a long time now. Primark have a few in, but I wasn't too keen. I've tried some on, and when I saw this, I said it's absolutely perfect. It's like a headscarf, so a lot of people are wearing them kind of like at the front of their head, all tied up, and not necessarily with these kind of bits hanging off. I'd say more like a little knot, and perfect for summer holidays and vacation. If your hair is all messy or greasy or sun swept, or sea swept I should say, and for being in the sea, and you just want to back off your face, this is lovely and colourful. And what I liked about it, it has so many different colours in it that you can tie in with your bikini, because it's really hard to find one that doesn't kind of mismatch with bikinis. So you have this kind of red colour in it, you've got gold, you've also got black, white, this kind of like minty teal green, you've got did I say black? Yeah, I did. So really liked the colours on that. They kind of go with a lot of things, the white, the black, the red, the pink. I thought these would be perfect for a couple of my bikinis or swimsuits, which is what I wanted. I didn't just want it to go with like one swimsuit. Actually, let's try it on. I'm going to try it on for you guys because I haven't actually seen what it looks like on myself. And then you can imagine it too and see if you want to get yourself one. Oh, sorry, and this was only €3. And it also says on the little thing that you can wear it around your neck. But I think that would be very, very push for me. I don't think I could wear it like that. You know, people might think that I have a boat or something, and I don't. So I'm going to put it like under my hair first. Make sure I don't get the hoops caught. And then kind of like up like this. I don't want to get my makeup on the white parts because I just got it. And then, oh my god, a little tiny bow would make like a little knot. That is so cute. Oh my god, I love it. Let me see. Oh, I've got a big lump of hair. Oh, there we go. Oh guys, this is so adorable. I love it. I can't believe for €3, like what a bargain, seriously. Oh, I love it. I can't wait to wear it on holidays, or maybe I might wear it here because it's super cute and I love all the colours. I'll probably have to fix it a bit better so that you can see like more of the band. But at the moment, I'm just going to leave it like this because it's really cute and I like it. Okay, so next up, another homeware item and one of my favourites. Actually, I'll just show you the two together because this isn't that exciting, but the next item is. This is like a rose gold basket, and guess how I got 2 of them. I also took the tags off because I got too excited when I got home and started putting my socks and everything in it. This was only €1, like from €3 to €1. So if you want some homeware accessories for a bargain and that are not going to just look like €1's worth, then get yourself down to Primark because they have so much, and you could be lucky. You could pick up a couple of bits like this, €1, another €1. Like, I mean, my room is going to be sorted for less than a tenner. No, it definitely won't. That's a lie. But moving on to another item, and this is my favorite. Wait for it, wait for it. Ah, ah. So you can just like pop this on your head and be like, wait a second guys, I have an idea. Damn it, over there. Alright, maybe go a bit closer. Okay guys, I think I have a great idea. Bing! Oh, I amuse myself way too much, seriously. I laugh at my own jokes way too much. This is not right. I really had to have this because I thought it was gorgeous. It actually has like a little handle. So maybe you're supposed to put it this way, like a little lantern, which is really cool as well. And it does actually stand this way. But I kind of prefer it the other way. I like it this way with the traditional kind of light bulb facing up that way. And it's an LED battery operated little light. So you've got the little LED lights inside. I better not keep doing that because it'll probably break. You need 3 AA batteries, so battery operated, which is great because it means that you can just keep replacing the batteries. It's never going to run out, and this was only €6. I know, €6, like seriously. You would not get that in like an expensive interior design store. You would probably see something similar for like 40, 50, 60 quid. I actually did see something that I really liked which is similar, which was 25 quid. And then I went into Primark and I saw this and I was like, for €6, you can forget about your €25 girl. I'm going with Primark. Primark. Okay, so the last item in my haul, and this is a staple piece. I actually have the denim version and I've been looking out for a black version for a long time now. I'm looking in other stores other than Primark, and then I happened to come across this and I'm pretty sure it was like the last one in the store as well. So I'm so excited that I got it. It's this gorgeous all black little mini skirt. It has like the frayed end. It has like the detail as if like a pair of jeans have been made into a skirt, which I really like as well. So it's pretty much the double of the denim skirt. And if you want to see the denim skirt, I featured it in my Primark €100 haul, so you can check that out. I got it in a size 8, which is the same size as my last one, so I hope it fits. I haven't tried this on either, but it has a little bit of give in it. I love the length of it as well, and you cannot go wrong. It's high-waisted. You cannot go wrong with the black denim skirt. You're going to wear it with so many things. I've literally been living in the denim version of it, so I was so excited when I saw this. I was like, yay, now I get to pair all my outfits with this and have some fun with that. But that is it, guys. That is the few bits I picked up in Primark. Oh, actually, I forgot about this. This is the main thing. Look at this. Woo! It's like this little furry beast. This is like a throw for your bed. I think this was like €10. Again, I took the tag off because I just threw it on the bed when I came home and I was like, I love it, it's staying. So this is kind of like a faux sheepskin fur little ruggy thing. It says it's for the bed. You could of course use it for a mat on the floor. I'm actually going to get a white one for my floor. I'm going to pop it back here on the bed because that's where it belongs. But that is such a beautiful item. It feels really nice and soft, like super soft. I want to snuggle into it every night, and I absolutely love it. It looks way more expensive for like a tenner. Primark are just doing so good with the homeware at the moment. You can literally make your room look fabulous for very little money. And I'm just getting so caught up here because I just love all the stuff that I got. I'm obsessed with this little headband. I'm so glad I got it. It makes my hair look, I look like a little girl, but I love it, and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this vlog slash haul. It is a haul, and if you've enjoyed watching it, then please do let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below as well. Of course, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you again real soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Adios.